If you are looking for a two-seater Gator Ride On, then the RiiRoo Gatlo Ride On truck is for you. There is a shortage of Gator Ride On trucks in the market, and whenever we come across one, we are beyond ecstatic. This is a 6x6 Gator truck with 4 powerful 45 watt motors to boot, and with its 2x12 watt batteries, they will certainly get a lot of play out of it, before you have to worry about charging. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age, or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. Rear suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The low-high speed settings is great for those who aren't confident in their new ride. The 2x12 volt batteries means the car will last longer. The 3-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. The off-road wheel design gives the car more grip on uneven surfaces such as grass or dirt. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. 4x45 watt motors are the most powerful in the range. The 2-seat capacity allows your child to ride along with their friend or sibling. Padded leather style seats. The integrated storage compartment allows your child to take their belongings with them on their adventure. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this Ride-On's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our Ride-Ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.